What's up, y'all? I'm Digital Jacket. Welcome to the channel. So just want to share a quick tip for those of you who are upgrading or got a new phone. You want to copy your information to a new phone and you're doing the Apple Quick Start, the one where you put the phone side by side and it says estimated time remaining, and maybe you have like a super long time. I'm gonna show you a little quick tip to decrease the time and hopefully make it faster. All right guys, so here's the trick. When you do the Apple Quick Start, you have your phones side by side, you want to connect both the phones with the Thunderbolt cable. So I'm currently using the Apple Thunderbolt 4 cable. If you want to use the same cable I'm using, I'll put a link for it in the description. Do not use this cable. This is the cable that comes in the box. It is not a Thunderbolt cable. The speeds are much slower, and as you can see, time remaining is about 1 hour. iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro. When I first started doing this, I was using the regular cable that came in the box, and it said 11 hours. And I left it, I came back 3 hours later, it said 8 hours, 7 hours. And then that's when I stopped it. I rebooted my old phone. I rebooted the new phone. I started it over with the Thunderbolt cable, and as you can see, 1 hour remaining. All right, y'all, quick recap. So when you're doing the quick start and you're transferring your data from your old phone to your new phone, connect the phones with a Thunderbolt cable. Don't use the cable that's in the box. That's not a Thunderbolt cable. It's super slow compared to a Thunderbolt cable. And I'm using the cable from Apple. If you want to use the same one, I'll put a link for it in the description. And yeah, it dropped my time significantly. I went from 11 hours down to 57 minutes. So hope it works for you too. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.